So now let's see how we can work around with the glow darks effect inside of HitFilm. So over here you can see that I have a clip, and if I want to go around and add in the glow darks effect, then I can go around under effects right here, and then I can go around and expand out stylize, and over here you can see that glow darks is an option over here. If I were to go around and click and drag it above right here, then what I can do is I can keep the effect over here on top so that all of the layers beneath it is affected. Or what you can also do is you can go around and directly add in the glow darks in the clip as you like. And I'm just going to go around and work around with this effect that is here on top as a layer. So what I can do with this is I can go around and select it, and I can go around onto controls, and over here you can see that if I were to go around under effects, then glow dark is an option. So what I can do is I can go around and change around the intensity of glow dark. So I can just go around over here and change this out, as you can see right here, and that is what you have. And with this particular layer, you can see that I can go around and move it out, and then what happens is that it simply goes around and affects out a certain part of the clip. If I were to resize this out right here, if I were to go around and change around the thresholds, then you can see that I can go around and then make different parts darker, right, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around the radius, as you can see right here as well, and that is what you have right here. So you can go around and change around the radius, and then you can go around and change around the direction of the glow dark as well, as you can see. There's per channel intensity, so you can go around and change around the glow dark for red right here, and then for green, as you can see right here, just like this, and for blue, and it affects out certain objects, as you can see right here, just like this. And change around the intensity, and that is the effect that you get, as you can see. And that is how you can utilize the glow darks effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe